The bobolink Dolichonyx oryzivorus is a small New World blackbird, notable for its striking plumage and unique song. Here are some key points about this bird description. Breeding male. During the breeding season, male bobolinks are easily recognizable by their striking black plumage with a white back and yellow nape. Female and non-breeding male. Females and non-breeding males have a more subdued appearance with brown and buff coloring, resembling large sparrows. Habitat breeding range. Bobolinks breed in North America's grasslands, particularly in the northern United States and southern Canada. Wintering range. They migrate to South America for the winter, traveling as far as Argentina. A journey of about 12,000 miles. Round-trip behavior song. The male bobolink is known for its bubbly melodic song, which it uses to establish territory and attract mates. Diet. Bobolinks primarily eat seeds and insects. During the breeding season, they favor insects, while seeds are more important during migration and in their wintering grounds. Conservation status. Bobolinks are considered a species of least concerned by the IUCN, but their populations are declining due to habitat loss and changes in agricultural practices. Interesting facts. Polygamous nature. Male bobolinks are polygamous and often mate with multiple females within a single breeding season. Molting. They molt twice a year, once before migration and once after reaching their wintering grounds, leading to significant changes in appearance. The bobolink's long migration and distinct appearance make it a fascinating subject for bird enthusiasts and researchers alike. Certainly, here's more detailed information about the bobolink, including its ecology, breeding behavior, and significance in culture ecology. Habitat preferences during the breeding season. Bobolinks prefer open grasslands, meadows, and prairies with tall grasses, which provide ample cover and nesting sites. They avoid areas with heavy shrubbery or tree cover. Migratory pathways. Bobolinks undertake one of the longest migrations of any North American songbird. They follow a loop migratory route, traveling down through the eastern United States and the Caribbean to South America in the fall, and returning via a more westerly route in the spring. Breeding behavior. Nesting. The female builds the nest on the ground, well hidden among tall grasses. The nest is a cup-shaped structure made from grass and lined with finer materials. Eggs and incubation. Females typically lay 4 to 7 eggs, which are pale with brown speckles. The female incubates the eggs for about 11 to 13 days until they hatch. Parental care. Both parents feed the chicks, which fledge approximately 10 to 14 days after hatching. However, the young often remain dependent on their parents for food for a few more weeks. Conservation challenges. Habitat loss. The conversion of grasslands to agriculture and urban areas has significantly reduced the breeding and migratory habitats of the bobolink. Additionally, changes in farming practices, such as earlier and more frequent mowing of hayfields, can destroy nests and reduce reproductive success. Pesticides. The use of pesticides in both North and South America affects the bobolink's food supply and can lead to poisoning. Climate change. Alterations in climate patterns may impact the availability of suitable habitats and food resources throughout their migratory journey and in their breeding and wintering grounds. Cultural significance. Literature and music. The bobolink has been celebrated in American literature and music. Poets like Emily Dickinson and William Cullen Bryant have written about the bird, and its song has inspired numerous compositions. Folklore. In some cultures, the bobolink is a symbol of joy and musical beauty due to its cheerful song. Research and monitoring. Banding and tracking. Scientists use banding and satellite tracking to study bobolink migration patterns, breeding success, and habitat use. This data helps inform conservation strategies. Citizen science bird watchers and citizen scientists contribute valuable observations through programs like EBER, aiding in the monitoring of bobolink populations. The bobolink's unique life cycle and the challenges it faces highlight the importance of habitat conservation and international cooperation in protecting migratory bird species.